Hey everyone! We are going to Death Valley National Park today in California, and y'all are coming along with me. It was about a 2-hour drive from Las Vegas through Pahrump, but we are here and we have a lot to see. So I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned and let's see what we can do. Keep in mind, remember to subscribe and follow my channel. Lots of videos like this to watch and more. So thanks so much for watching. Let's get to it. Okay guys, this is our first stop in Death Valley, and this is 20 Mule Canyon. This is unreal, gorgeous. Again, we are in Death Valley. 20 Mules Canyon side road. I took off from the main road to check this out. It's absolutely gorgeous. No one around. You can hear a pin drop. Gorgeous. I'll be back. Okay, everyone, this is our next stop. Zabriske Point. God, I hope I'm saying that right. So this is what we're gonna see. This is what we're gonna do here. Check this out. We're gonna hobble on up here and get to this top point. Look at these surroundings, guys. Most people are wearing masks, but in social distancing. The campgrounds are currently closed. Oh, look at people are way up there on that point. But this is our surroundings. This is unreal. Just gorgeous. And let me tell you, it's a pretty steep walk. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, guys, I'm going to come back when I'm at the top. Okay, everyone, we're about halfway up that walk. Just look at this view. So we still got that to walk. I had to stop and take a breather. Absolutely gorgeous. But this is the walk so far. There's where we parked. Absolutely gorgeous. I have never been here, so I'm taking it all in. Okay, everyone, we made it to the top. Down there's where we parked. And here is the view. Forgive me if I sound a little winded. All right. Here's where we are. It says the scene is the result of violent action of water and earthquakes 3 to 5 million years ago. Lakes were here. Information about mining. Some history. Absolutely gorgeous. I've got people down there sitting. Just gorgeous. Have people climbed up to that point way up there. Crazy. Definitely the place to be adventurous, there's no doubt. Alright, we're going to move on to the next stop, guys. Take it all in.
No. Yeah.
Okay, everyone, so we made it now to the inn at Death Valley. We're at the Death Valley Gateway currently. And this is a resort in Death Valley. It is temporarily closed. But beautiful, right in the middle. Feeling the Aztec vibe. All right, we are at Badwater Road, to be continued. Okay, everyone, we are now entering and starting to head towards Artist's Palette, which I'm told is just visually stunning. So this is just gorgeous. Perfect day today too. It's 65 here currently. And I just stopped to take some pictures right before we got here, and we were at elevation sea level. I believe we're climbing up here a little bit, but we are low right now. And I will be back. Okay, we climbed, everyone. This is a stop on the way to Artist Palette. Absolutely gorgeous. Quite the climb. At least for us old crippled folk. But look at that view. Stunning. Okay, guys, we're gonna move on. Okay, everyone, our next stop is the Artist Palette. And look at all the colors. Absolutely gorgeous. And the lowest point in North America. And here is our view. There is a sign up there. Let me try to zoom in. That says sea level. So that's how much we are below sea level. It was very cool. And there is quite a bit of parking here. And they do check. They've got people working the parking lot. They do check to make sure that you have paid admission. Paid admission to get into Death Valley is $30 to get into the national park. However, it is valid for 7 days because there is so much to see. But this is it, and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, so this is the salt flats, and explains the crystal power. And it is sodium chloride, better known as table salt. Makes up the majority of the salts here in Badwater Basin. So let's go check it out. This is all salt that we're walking on currently. At least this is flat and there's no climbing. I've had enough PT today to last me a month, I believe. Okay guys, look at the salt. This is just very cool. And again, we're at Badwater Basin, the lowest elevation in North America. Check out these views. Okay guys, and this is Badwater Basin. And this is the Badwater pool. Such beautiful nature. Another national park to check off my list. Very cool. Again, this is Badwater Basin. Okay, everyone, we are entering Furnace Creek, elevation minus 190 feet. We were just at sea level, so now we're below it. And this is a little town. It's so cute. There was an entrance that we just passed for Native American tribe, but it was closed, so I'm going to assume there is some Native American tribal land in here. But this is the drive. Gorgeous. And again, we are below sea level currently. There's the visitor center. This is going to be part of our, or I should say the end of our trip to Death Valley. I'm going to be turning around and heading back. This was just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And the campgrounds are closed currently. But let's go see what we can see. Okay, so we're deeper into Furnace Creek. I just took a little side winding road. And this is what we can see. That says private property, so that's gotta be part of it. Obviously a golf course. But this is very cool. Can't beat the scenery. And again, here's the visitor center for Furnace Creek. Really nice place to take a break, stretch your legs. And they had a little dining area, picnic area, behind it with picnic tables set up, all that good stuff. Because there are lots of campers. Okay, so this is where the road leads us. It is 120 miles back to Vegas, and that's where we're heading. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you for joining me along on this other journey. And keep watching. Lots more videos to come. I appreciate y'all so much. Thanks. Bye.